Hello dear viewers, welcome to our channel Ride Expedition, and this is our moto vlog video, and we are going to travel to a remote place, not very far, just this place is close to our village. This is a short tour, and for this short tour we will enjoy some rural area, some rural landscapes, and for enjoying we are going to take some ice creams and nuts just for eating and going there, and we will go straight just for taking some nuts and ice cream. Then we will come back through this road again, and until then please enjoy this video. Oi পিছনে ও আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, সমস্যা নেই, সামনেতে নিয়ে আসি। তুই আইসক্রিম নিবি কোন জায়গা থেকে? Okay, dear viewers, this is a market, local market, and its name is Chuknagor Bazar, which is located in Dumuria Upozela under Khulna district. And you enjoy this video. There are so many people coming and going here and there. Ariman, ডাইনে একটা বামে একটা বাদাম গেল না? নামো। বাদাম কত করে? 100 গ্রাম দেন। এই যে 100 গ্রাম দিয়ে দেন ওর কাছে। একটু মশলা বেশি দিয়েন, বুঝছেন? ওট We have taken our nuts and ice cream, and for enjoying this beautiful scenery we are going to that place. And dear viewers, you continue to watch our videos, you will enjoy, because I will show you an interesting place. This is a rural place, and all the people like different kinds of rural place, and there is so jam here. This is not a problem. Assalamu alaikum sir. Headset dekh se. This is not a problem. So much traffic jam here, but we will go to the left side. Dear viewers, you know we are going to enjoy a place. This is a rural place, not far from our village. This is in our village, and we are going to that place just to enjoy the scenery, natural scenery. And you know, we are first for making motovlog videos, and we have no experience, you know. We are new for making this video. We have taken preparation, but our preparation is not good, and all the new people or persons who want to make motovlog video, the suggestion for you that you need a bike at first. If you want to make motovlog videos, you must need a bike and at least a smartphone. And it will be better if you have if you take GoPro action cam, then your video will be very good and interesting and qualityful video. But we are new, so just we are gathering experience how to make motovlog videos, and just for gathering experience we have started to make a video. We will enjoy some natural setting. This natural setting is very attractive, given by Allah. He has given so many things to mankind for their betterment, for their welfare, and so many things. So this is a place, very nice place and a rural place. We are going to enjoy some interesting places in our local area.